You're not going to be president, all right?
Hey, let's look at what an idiot Stephen Colbert is.
Come on, buddy.
He still hasn't grown to accept who the President of the United States
There is zero chance we'll
really
be seeing
is.
you being sworn in on the Capitol steps with your hand on a giant golden Bible.
Lay out on a limb. Donald Trump will never, ever be president of the
And
United
another
States. The Trump
dickweed
should
trying to
not
run
be
his
in this
fucking
race.
pie
He's an
hole.
absurdity. He is a travesty.
Donald Trump will never be elected president.
Hey, and there's a crook if there ever was one.
Donald Trump
and
is
an idiot, for
here
sure.
today, gone tomorrow, candidate for president
Yeah.
of the United States.
Mrs. I have no clue.
Donald Trump is not going to be president of the United States.
Afraid so.
Ever respectful of the fact that the people have not voted, he's not going to be president of the United States.
She's got to be the biggest
Let's be
idiot
clear.
politician.
Donald Trump will lose the election.
Woo, and there's Fareed.
He had
And
a
Mark
really good
Cuban,
chance
who
to
makes
be
all his
different
shit in
and really
China.
have a chance to change things, but he doesn't do the work.